First flight, guys, first flight. Believe it or not, that was my first outdoor flight with the Mavic Mini. And the footage, it's simply impressive, amazing. Such a quality, such a stability. I mean, look at the picture, it's crisp, it's vibrant. It doesn't shake. It's not every day that you get these beautiful panoramas from above, flowing in the air, just floating around the fields. Or speed it up in post, get some spice up footage. No matter what you're trying to achieve, this thing is a beast. Why do I like it so much? The first thing is that this drone is 249 grams, and this is very important because at this threshold, this drone is still considered a toy, so you don't need to register it, you don't need to become a pilot to fly it, you just use it as you would fly any toy. But you get very nice footage, very stable, because in this very little weight they managed to squeeze in a gimbal with 3 axes of stabilization and a 2.7K camera, which is perfect for YouTube contents. Second thing, this drone is below $500, and below $500 it means that even if you crash it and you lose it in a way that it's not even possible to get it repaired, where this thing is almost expandable. Like drones, you know, crash all the days, drones can break. And third thing, this thing flies super easy. It's crazy stable. You can fly it indoor, and indoor it will use vision systems to stabilize itself, so you can float around your house. If you're planning to fly it indoor, I would recommend the propeller guards. And if you fly it outdoor, it's a GPS drone, so it's completely stabilized by satellites. It means it will not move by 1 inch, 1 centimeter. Whenever it's in the sky, it stays there. And you get all sorts of warning. You get warnings if the wind is high, so you know you have to fly down and backward to you. You get warnings if the battery is dying out. You get warnings if you're getting out of the remote control side. And you even get a full GPS track on your phone in case your drone is falling somewhere and you need to find it. So feel free to take it and fly away from you, but always respect the law, and the law says you need to fly within line of sight in a lot of countries. You know, everybody is talking about these drones like Air 2, the Phantom, and they are great for cinematography. You know, they are very powerful drones, but they are not the right drone for someone who just wants to shoot something from YouTube, because beyond 250 grams you need registration, and it's not anymore a toy, just like this one is. This one, for the price, for the weight, and for the easiness of use, is unbeatable. You have to try it out. You will have, believe me, a lot of fun. And if you get the Fly More combo, you get 3 batteries, so yeah, you can fly it up to 90 minutes in the sky. And it's so much flying time that you will get tired before your drone does. So no excuse not to fly this guy. Remember to check the local laws for flying the drones. The fines can be pretty high, and having drones around in the sky has to be limited, because those little birds can fly pretty high if uncontrolled, and they can create damages. So be careful when you fly your drone, but find a nice spot, find a nice day, fly it high, have a lot of fun. That's it about this video. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you'd like to see more about this, subscribe to the channel, leave me a like, and see you in the next one.